Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your yellow or stained teeth? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore some amazing ways to get natural white teeth at home fast without breaking the bank or relying on expensive dental treatments. When it comes to stained or yellowing teeth, it's easy to feel like we're stuck with them. Maybe you've tried whitening toothpaste or mouthwash but seen little to no results. Or perhaps you've been put off by the hefty price tag of professional whitening treatments. Whatever your reason, I know you're not alone in wanting a brighter, more confident smile. We all know that a bright white smile can make a huge difference in how we feel about ourselves. It can boost our confidence, make us feel more attractive, and even improve our overall self-esteem. So why should we have to settle for anything less? From coffee to red wine, there are plenty of daily habits that can take a toll on our teeth. And let's be real, sometimes no matter how hard we try, our teeth just aren't as white as we want them to be. But what if I told you there are some surprisingly simple and effective ways to get natural white teeth at home without resorting to harsh chemicals or expensive treatments? One of my favorite home remedies for whitening teeth is baking soda. It's a natural abrasive that gently lifts away surface stains, leaving your teeth looking brighter and whiter. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water to form a paste, then brush your teeth with it for 2 minutes before rinsing as usual. Another effective method is coconut oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice involves swishing coconut oil around your mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out and rinsing your teeth. The lauric acid in coconut oil has natural antibacterial properties that can help reduce plaque and whiten teeth over time. Of course, what we eat and drink also has a big impact on the whiteness of our teeth. Avoiding stain-causing foods like coffee, tea and berries, and opting for crunchy fruits and veggies that help clean your teeth as you eat them can make a big difference. And don't forget to drink plenty of water to help flush out your mouth and keep your teeth clean. Now, I know what you're thinking. These remedies are great, but how can we take our teeth whitening to the next level? That's where my top tip for getting natural white teeth at home comes in. And it's incredibly simple. To get noticeable results quickly, I recommend using a combination of baking soda and lemon juice to create a natural whitening paste. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with the juice of 1 lemon and brush your teeth with it for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. The acidity in the lemon juice helps break down surface stains, while the baking soda gently scrubs them away. Remember to always rinse your teeth thoroughly after using this paste and avoid using it too frequently, as the acidity can wear down your tooth enamel over time. But trust me, the results are well worth it. I've seen a huge difference in just 1 week. So, to recap, we've covered some amazing home remedies and techniques for whitening teeth naturally. From baking soda and coconut oil pulling, to diet tips and my top method for getting noticeable results quickly. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can say goodbye to stained or yellowing teeth and hello to a brighter, more confident smile. Remember, it's all about making small changes to your daily routine and being consistent. The results will follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite teeth whitening tips in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and beauty hacks, and let's get started on our journey to a brighter, whiter smile together.